All right, hey guys, good lesson today, good times. We're looking at something that people have been trying to do for 100 years now, and that is predict the future price of a stock or a cryptocurrency or some type of security here, some type of financial security. So we got four things we're going to look at, and we're going to try to predict the price 1 year from now in November 2022. Right, it's 2021 right now, and we're going to look at the past 9 years. See if we can use that data to predict what's going to happen in 2022, 1 year from now. And we're going to do that for Netflix stock, Procter and Gamble stock, Bitcoin, which only has which has a few less years of data available, and then finally for a stock of your choosing. So okay, here we go. Let's get into it. Netflix, first one up, and we're gonna just first access the data here. So I'm gonna open up a new tab, and I'm gonna click Netflix stock price. If you just Google Netflix price, you'll get like $12.99 or whatever it costs to subscribe to Netflix. So you got to make sure to throw the stock in there. And here we go, Netflix. Now, there's several time options here. Along the top row, you can see like 1 day price change, 6 months price change, year to date price change. I'm going to go ahead and just click max just to get the full lifespan of the stock. You can see that they went public back in 2002. And you probably would have been a really good buy back then, actually. It turns out you would have made a lot of money now. So anyways, okay. Here we go. Let's look at the data, and I guess I'll just go backwards up the chart here. November 18th, that's today when I'm recording the video. 682. Okay, so here we go. 682, and we'll throw the dollar sign on there. Oops, that's the and sign. Dollars, where is that dollar sign? There it is. Okay, and now let's go ahead and go back a year and look at November 2020, and we don't have to be too precise with it. Let's see, November 27th, 2020, that'll work. 491. So here we go, 491, and then go back a year to 2019, November 29th, 2019. That's $314. So we'll go up here, 314, and then keep going here. It's gonna take a second here. Could have probably looked some of this up ahead of time, but that's fine. Let's see, November 16th, 286, 86, and then November 2017. So 2017, November 3rd. Now let's go middle of November, November 17th, 193. So you can see that the price has certainly been trending. Each November, in fact, is higher than the November that preceded it. And where are we at? We're at 2016 now. So let's see. November 18th, 2016 was $115, $115. And 2015 was $99 if we round up there, which we should. And then 2014 is $51. And then $49 for $50. Okay, so there we go. So we got our prices in there. And now we're going to go ahead and look at, what are we going to do here? I don't even know. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and graph these on our chart here. Now, of course, you got this on paper, so you can put it on there. You can put it on the paper. I'm going to do it using these dots here, which I've pre-prepared, and hopefully will go smoothly. Then we're going to draw the line of best fit and try to figure out, like, all right, how much is this price going to be next year? Then we'll wait a year and see if we were right. See how close we came. Okay, so here we go. So let's see, year one. So I'm going to just put 1 year. And I know this is not exactly true, but I think it'll be fine for our purposes. And we'll go for $50, which I believe each of these lines is about $100. Yeah, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So okay, so $50 would be right there. $51 would be basically the same Y value, just a little bit higher. Okay, and then year 3 here, or 2015, that would be $100, so we'll put it there. And then year 4 was $115, so we'll put it just a little above that. And then year 5 was $193, so we'll put it just below the 200. And then year 6 was $286. So let's see, there's 300, and we'll put it right there. And then this one was 314, so we'll put it right there. And then 491, okay, big jump here. Oops. So 491, so that'd be almost at the $500 mark. And then 682. So there's 600, there's 700, 682. Okay, so this looks good. Actually, I might have to recycle this when we get to exponential functions, but for right now, I think this will suffice. We're going to go ahead and try to draw a line that sort of connects these points here. So okay, there's our line, and let's kind of get it sort of in the middle of all this data, right? So we want to kind of like put it where it sort of maybe doesn't go right to the points. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it kind of goes through all the points. So let's see. Let's like kind of put it like right here maybe. That's like a little bit like right there maybe. Is an approximate line of best fit. There's a couple that are below. If we extend it out a little bit, a couple that are above, a couple of that are way above, a couple that are, well, this one's way above. This one's sort of way below. This one's kind of, you know, a lot of them are, okay, it's a pretty good line of best fit, so let's go ahead and extend it a little bit more. And you guys can draw your own line of best fit, of course, you know, using your straight edge. And let's go and let's look at next year's price. What do we think it's going to be? So I'm going to go ahead and estimate that next year this stock's going to be worth, let's say, $710. How confident in my prediction am I? Well, how confident in this prediction am I? Well, I'm not extremely confident, but I do think, you know, it's probably going to go up, right? Data shows that actually the price has never been lower 1 November than the previous, well, at least in the last 9 years, it has never been lower. And, you know, I don't really have any reason to doubt that. In fact, if anything, I think it would be even a little higher, because to me, actually, now that I look at it, this looks like more of an exponential curve. It would probably be up higher, but you know what? So I'm going to say I am confident that my prediction is within, that it is on the low end of reasonable. And we'll just say that, right? So I don't know exactly what to say there for how confident are we. We haven't learned about the R squared value. We haven't learned about residuals yet. So we'll get into all of that in the coming days, and we'll be better equipped to answer that question. So for now, we'll just put that in there and hope for the best. And that's pretty much it. So you guys are gonna do this 3 times. You're gonna do Procter and Gamble. That's an old company. They own a bunch of like they own like Gillette shaving, and they own a bunch of stuff. They make toothpaste. They make aspirin, stuff like that. They make soap. They actually own Tide. They own a bunch of brands. And then you can do one here for Bitcoin, and then you guys can pick one here. Whatever stock or security or cryptocurrency, whatever you find interesting, you can go ahead and do it there. And I've left everything blank. You don't have to follow my patterns if you want to go every month looking at the past year, or, you know, do whatever you want to do. Look at whatever data you want to look at for that one. Go crazy. Have fun. I'm ending the video. Good luck making these predictions, and I will see all of you soon. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.